If you want to sync your Shopify customers with ClickSend, which is a business communication platform, then this video is for you, because here I am going to show you how to create contact in ClickSend automatically for every new Shopify customers. So whenever a new customer is created in your Shopify store, the same customer will be created as a contact in ClickSend. Want to learn how you can also do that? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the dashboard of Shopify, and whenever a new customer is created in Shopify, I will show you how the same customer will be added as a contact in ClickSend. But before that, firstly I will have to build a connection in Shopify and ClickSend application, which I am going to do with the help of software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as when customer is created in Shopify, add same customer in ClickSend as contact. Now simply click on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are actually called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. So this is how you need to always choose the applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. So according to our use case, we want that whenever a new customer is created in our Shopify store, then automatically add the very same customer, very same customer as a contact in our ClickSend application. Okay, so in this way you will have to select both the applications one by one in this trigger and the action window. And the idea here is, firstly I will connect to Shopify with Pabbly Connect and will capture the customer details here, and then I will connect to Pabbly Connect with the ClickSend and will send the customer data. Okay, so let us first connect to Shopify with the Pabbly Connect. So firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new customer trigger when a new customer is created. So yes, I would like to perform the same, and here you can notice it has provided me a webhook URL and few set of instructions. Okay, so you will have to follow these instructions carefully in order to build a connection in Shopify and Pabbly Connect. So basically you just need to copy this webhook URL, and as soon as you do that, you will notice that it will start waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so go back to the dashboard of Shopify, then click on settings, and then click on notification from the left hand sidebar. Alright, where is the notification? I'll have to check. Alright, here we have notification, and in the last you will find the option of create webhook. Okay, so how about I maximize it so that you can see the data very clearly. Okay, so create webhook button. Here exactly I am going to paste the same webhook URL which I have actually got from Pabbly Connect. Now I'll select the event, that is customer creation. Okay, here also same thing has been mentioned, that select the event type as customers create. Okay, now you will have to select the format as JSON, and the webhook API version is going to be the latest one. Now click on save, and this is how webhook will be saved successfully, and that means the connection is done in Shopify and Pabbly Connect. Now in order to test this integration, test this connection, it is saying now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means creation of a new customer in Shopify store. Okay, so in front of you I will create a new customer. Basically this is my store, and as a dummy customer I am going to sign up here. Okay, so clicking on this create new account, asking for the first name. Okay, so I will add the name as dummy and the last name as customer, email address as dummy customer at pabblytudes.com. Again, these are the dummy details only. Phone number is going to be 966666666, and I will add a random password also. Okay, so I have added all the details. Now I will click on this button, and as soon as the customer is created in my Shopify store, you will notice that a response will be received. Well, here you can notice it is already received. Now I'll show you the details one by one. Okay, so here we have the date, and here we have the phone number. It is the same phone number. Here we also have the last name, the first name, the email ID. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Shopify and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time a new customer is going to sign up in our Shopify store, the same customer details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I am going to send the customer details to ClickSend. So the application is already selected. Now I'll select the action event, that is create a new contact. Okay, and just like we have connected Shopify with the Pabbly Connect, now I'm going to connect a ClickSend with the Pabbly Connect. So that is why I'm clicking on connect, then clicking on add new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the username and API key. Okay, so how you can get this API key? Click on the developers menu on the down left and then select API credentials. Okay, so this is the dashboard of ClickSend, and here you can find the option of developers, and then you can also find the option of API credentials. Okay, so from here you can find the username. Okay, so let me copy the same and paste here. Okay, and further I'm going to copy and paste the API key as well. Okay, so this is the API key. Let me again copy it and paste here. Okay, clicking on save, and this is how my ClickSend account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. And because we are connected, here you can notice whatever the list IDs are available inside my ClickSend account have started visible here. Okay, so here you can notice one list ID with the name Shopify Customer is already created. Okay, so how about I go with this one? Okay, asking for the phone number, first name, last name, and several other details. Okay, so the interesting thing here is I am not going to manually copy the above data and paste below again and again. Okay, basically I am going to map these details. Okay, and mapping is very simple. When you will click on this field, you will find the same responses, the same above step data here in the drop down. Okay, so let me search for the phone number. All right, so I have mapped it, asking for the first name. So again in the same way I am going to map other details also. Okay, so well, it was dummy, asking for the last name, which was customer. Yes, I was correct. And asking for the custom values, well, I do not have any custom value. This is the important data, that is the email address. Okay, so I think I have added all the important details. Now I'll click on this button and you will notice how a contact will be created here. But before that, let me tell you, whatever the details we have mapped here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time or in next time. And whatever the details we have provided manually or from the drop down will remain same. Okay, so for every new customer, for every new Shopify customer, the contacts will be created in the same list and these details will be replaced automatically. Okay, so clicking on this button, save and send test request, and firstly I will wait for the response to be received. And if that response is positive, well, here you can notice response code, it is saying success. That means the customer is successfully created. I'm really sorry, not the customer, a contact is successfully created in our ClickSend account. Okay, so this is my list, that is Shopify customer, and here you can notice the first name, the same last name, the same phone number, and the same email address, that is dummycustomer@pabblytudes.com, has been created as a contact in ClickSend automatically and in real time. Okay, so in this way, with the help of Pabbly Connect, with the help of this workflow, you can automate this entire process. Basically, you just need to create this workflow inside Pabbly Connect for once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually, okay? And just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same two-step workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.